are January 25th, last day of extended doe season here in Allegheny County. It's 10 degrees, 30-mile-an-hour winds. We got pretty crazy snowstorm, 5 to 7 inches. We're all bundled up, but we're ready to do this. Last day, we're gonna get some does here on the ground, so stay tuned. We're about to do this Lock 3 TV style. Starting the first drive, and it is cold.
Blood, and started running, so I had to shoot it again. Luke's tagged out. 10 minutes, I'm done. It's a wrap. Lock 3 TV, boy. Done. Last day of deer season, and I tagged out. Oh yeah. I got the GoPro. I had it rolling, but it went flying off my gun when I started shooting.